Take a moment to check out the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Handsome and versatile, this Santa Fe brings ease and comfort to your busy lifestyle. This midsize crossover SUV offers a spacious, family-friendly cabin, available all-wheel drive, the latest safety and infotainment tech, including standard driver assistance features and stylish modern looks. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, satellite radio, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, keyless start, fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, alarm. Comfort blends with versatility in bold, modern style in this striking Santa Fe. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.